Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Mitsubishi L200 2017 to 2019? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the 2017 to 2019 Mitsubishi L200, the passenger compartment fuse box manages key interior and body electronics, such as power windows and mirrors, central locking, interior lighting, infotainment and instrument cluster circuits, along with various comfort and safety control modules to ensure stable operation of cabin systems. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 2017 to 2019 Mitsubishi L200, the engine compartment fuse box safeguards key powertrain and high-load systems such as the engine control unit, fuel injection, cooling fans, ABS, headlights, horn, air conditioning compressor, and charging circuits, ensuring stable operation of essential driving and safety functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.